Hello, we are Coastal Redevelopment Solutions, and this is our design concept video for the redevelopment of the Tropicana outdoor Lido. This video will look at what solution has been proposed, why this is needed, and how it is going to be accomplished. CRS is comprised of 6 engineers, 3 mechanical and 3 civil. Together, we have over 3 years of industrial experience and over 20 years of academic study. The team is led by William Holloway, who is the chairman, Joe Driver, who is Vice Chair, George Wright, Finance Manager, Broden Yaxley, Aquatic Specialist, Benjamin Lomax, the Environmental Consultant, and Charles Sayer, Public Relations. CRS provides a comprehensive design and project management service for coastal redevelopments. Our core value as a company is to provide innovative solutions to complex problems while maintaining an eco-friendly ethos. Through the establishment of strong relationships with clients and the use of our technical knowledge, CRS delivers design solutions which satisfy all project requirements. The Tropicana is located in the town of Weston Super-Mare, situated in the southwest of England. The area has excellent transport links, being just off the M5 south of Bristol. Weston is a famous seaside resort which plays host to a range of events such as T4 on the beach, the Motocross Enduro, and the Powerboat Championships. In the last 10 years, Weston Seafront has undergone major redevelopment. This encompassed projects such as the £39 million rebuild of the Grand Pier after it was burnt down in 2008. The redevelopment of Knightstone Island Apartments, along with the new Children's Adventure Water Park area. The whole of the promenade has been renewed due to the threats of flooding. This £30 million project has refreshed the aesthetics of Weston and has promoted future redevelopment, such as the proposed Dolphin Square shopping area. Due to the amount of money which has been invested in Weston, we believe that this is the perfect time for the Tropicana to be considered as a viable redevelopment project. There is strong support from the local community, with over 3,000 signatures, as well as a general consensus that something needs to be done. So what do the stakeholders say?
From the Council's perspective, the Tropicana needs to be developed. There have been previous attempts to regenerate the site, but none have been feasible due to the complexity of the proposed designs. The Tropicana was planned to be demolished in 2011, but fell through due to the objection from the people of Weston and surrounding areas.
Yes, I remember when I used to take the children there, and it's a great shame it's not being used anymore.
As a shop owner, the increased number of people visiting Weston would really benefit my business.
A questionnaire was also undertaken. The response was generally positive, with 80% supporting the redevelopment over demolition. It is therefore clear that there is a need and a want for the Tropicana to be redeveloped, and we at CRS have the capability to deliver. Before we chose our final design, previous proposals were evaluated to establish why they were unsuccessful. It was found that the designs were far too complex and did not take into account fundamental stakeholder requirements. The plans were unfeasible on both financial and practical levels. This therefore called for a more simplistic design. The 2 main deliverables identified were to construct an outdoor Lido as it once was, but to incorporate a retractable roof to allow it to be used all year round. From a business perspective, this would allow constant trade on an annual basis, as opposed to the seasonal income of an open-air pool. Our proposal is incorporated within the existing Tropicana footprint, and has been designed to retain existing features such as the architecture at the front of the premises. Our design is eco-friendly, incorporating extensive solar panel coverage, providing sufficient power to the building services. Additional power and heating for the building and pool is supplied by a CHP plant located in the southeast corner. Space is provided for retail outlets located at the front of the building. This generates additional income and services the needs of beachgoers by providing toilet facilities. A bright and open reception splits the building into wet and dry areas. Excellent changing facilities are provided which open out into the pool area. Here, a 25-metre 10-lane pool and a FINA standard diving pool are located. As you can see, the style of the original Art Deco diving board has been emulated in our design. Currently, the closest FINA standard diving board is over 100 miles away in Plymouth and Southampton. The pool provides activities for all ages, such as lessons and fitness classes, as well as plenty of fun. Glass has been used to give an aesthetically pleasing look, while the roof over the fun pool will be retractable, allowing fresh air into the building. Diving clubs will relish the chance to use the state-of-the-art diving centre, and the internationally accredited boards will allow both national and international competitions to be held at the Tropicana. These high-profile events will attract substantial levels of media attention, which in turn will increase the facility's profile and draw in new clients. The depth diving pool also allows for other activities such as scuba diving training, water polo, and remotely operated vehicle testing to be carried out. As we move into the dry side of the building, there is space provided for further sport and fitness facilities in the form of fitness suite and luxury spa. A splash cafe will provide drinks and snacks for all users. A multi-lane bowling alley is found at the rear of the building. This has a bar, food and entertainment facilities to cater all needs. Currently, there is no bowling alley in Weston as it was recently demolished. This popular activity will provide an additional revenue stream to boost overall income. Here you can see rear access to the shops, which also act as multiple fire escapes. Staff offices and administration rooms are found behind reception and are only accessible via swipe card access. As we move upstairs, a viewing platform is located on the balcony, providing grandstand seating for up to 250 people. This overlooks the pool and diving board. Towards the rear of the building, conference, teaching and exhibition facilities are provided for private hire and community events. These areas allow community integration between a variety of interested parties, such as schools, colleges, local groups, as well as outside organisations. Fine dining and quality food will be served on the third floor 7 View restaurant. Stunning views across Weston Bay looking out towards Wales will complement the design and innovation of the Tropicana. CRS has developed a project execution plan which highlights various management strategies to aid the finalisation of the detailed design report and the marketing video. With management plans in place and a wealth of experience in complex design projects, CRS will be able to deliver. The design fees stand at £110,000. This incorporates project management fees at £130 per hour, engineering design costs at £95 per hour, and administration tasks at £60 per hour. The initial total cost of the building has been calculated at £13.2 million. With the addition of a risk budget of £1.9 million and the total consultant fees of just under £600,000, the total cost of the entire project comes to £15.7 million. Various funding options have been found, which are a mixture of private and public. These include the Coastal Communities Fund, the National Lottery Improvement Fund, and the Community Sport Activation Fund. A detailed Gantt chart has been constructed, which isolates key events and milestones for task completion. The overall project timescale has been calculated at 2 years. The outside shell of the building and the retractable roof will be completed between the spring and summer to ensure internal works can be carried out during the winter and following year. A detailed risk assessment has been made, which highlights both threats to the project as well as opportunities which could be exploited. Mitigating actions have been incorporated to ensure that critical high-level uncertainties are reduced to an acceptable level. So why should you invest in us? As mentioned earlier, there is a huge demand for the redevelopment of the Tropicana. Our design brings back classic features such as the Art Deco diving board while retaining the original frontage of the building. The retractable roof allows for year-round use, and the other facilities provided will make the Tropicana a hub for activities and fun. By investing in the Tropicana, you're also investing in Weston itself. With over £100 million spent in redevelopment in the past 10 years, and future proposals such as the Dolphin Square shopping complex underway, now is the perfect time to get involved. With our technical expertise and experience in the coastal redevelopment sector, CRS are 100% committed to making Weston proud and bringing back one of the icons of the town. Thank you for watching. Will you take the plunge with us?